Hi, in this video let me show you how to fix in case your FPD television is not responsive. Maybe you clicking on the buttons and it's slow to react, or for any reasons the apps are not launching and it's not working the way it should. I'll show you a few different solutions. So the first thing you need to do, okay, that's the easiest thing, let's start with that one, is to unplug your TV. It doesn't matter if the TV is turned on, simply unplug it from your wall outlet. Now, once the TV is unplugged, what I suggest is that you go under the TV where the power button is. Mine is under the FPD logo, and you're gonna press on it during 10 seconds. This will simply remove all the remaining energy from the TV. Okay, after 10 seconds, release the button, wait around 5 minutes, and then plug back your TV. It's a simple restart. Nothing will be deleted. All your apps will still be there, all your profiles. And then turn it on. Most of the time, a simple restart, okay, will fix the issue. If you're still having the problem, even after doing this simple trick, let's jump to solution number 2. So for the solution number 2, I suggest you unplug all the devices connected on the back. You can leave the antenna connected, this doesn't matter. But if you have other devices in HDMI 1, HDMI 2, or in the USB ports on the top, disconnect them. Maybe your issue is coming from one of these devices. So after disconnecting them, I suggest you do the same thing I just showed you in the solution number 1. Unplug your TV, plug it back, and see if the TV is working as it should. If it's working as it should, connect one by one each of those devices in the back until you find the one that was causing the issue. Another thing that you can try is to update your TV. Take your remote control, press the settings button. This is a FPD TV that has the Android Google TV, so it looks like this. On the right side, you're going to go down, select all settings, it's on the top. Then go down and you're going to select System. And in System, you're going to go down, select About, select System Update. It will start checking. Make sure your TV is connected to the Wi-Fi. And if you get the message, your system is up to date, well, you don't have anything to do. If there is an update available, install it right away. There's a good chance it will fix your issue. Another thing that you can try is to disconnect your Google account if this is a Google Android TV by pressing again the settings button, by selecting all settings, by going down and selecting account and profiles. You're going to see your account, click on it, go down and select remove profile. It will delete your Google profile from the TV and you'll be able to add it again by going on the same place in the menu. If one of these tips worked for you, I want to know, so leave a comment in the comment section down below. If you have another tip that I didn't talk about, please write it. I'm sure somebody will be very grateful to find out how to fix the issue. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one.